there's your kiosk. It's got some information on it, some maps. It's got a little box to the side with some instructions on it, and we're going to take a look and see what that's all about. Alright, entry permit required all year, overnight camping, motorboat day use only. Motorboat's going to be kind of tough to acquire on spur of the moment. You may have to get those at the forest station close by. But here is the permit box. You open up the permit box. A lot of times you will see the entry point listed, and you will have to take out a self-issuing permit. Now this is for 1 day going in and coming out. No overnight. Overnight, like I've mentioned before on the previous videos, you have to make reservations. But this is just for 1 day at a time, no overnight. Fill it out appropriately and put the hard copy in the slot, and you carry a copy of your permit with you at all times, just in case. And you can see they've got instructions here on how to do it and take care of it for you. Some other pertinent information you might be interested in reading about at the kiosks. So that's